Alright guys, you can't see me. John Cena, never give up. Got it on the back as well. You can see that. Oh, guess what we bought today? We bought the K2 Compact Karcher. Check it out. It's actually quite cute. Look at it. So tiny and small. Looks like one of those jetpacks that you get. You can put it on your back. Alright. Now, put it on your back. But yeah, it's about that big. It's absolutely tiny. Probably as big as my cat. My cat. Cat's run off. Yeah, it's as big as the cat. And then it comes with one of these. Right, one extension. 2 extensions. I think that's the one that like splits. The nozzle, long extender. Don't know what that is. Don't know. But we'll find out soon. And then this. This is quite cool. I think this. Oh yeah, what does this one do? What is that?
Patio cleaner.
Patio cleaner. Let me show you the patio actually. Let me show you this. So we're gonna clean this actually. See if it works. Look at the dirt. Look how dirty it is. And then we'll use it. And then we'll see how it works. So let's set it up. We're gonna use this now. We're gonna set it up. We'll show you how it works. Yeah?
It goes in there.
Alright, this goes here. And that attaches to the main pipe. Secured. Yep. Let's take it outside. Let's go. Yep, it's like a lock system. Look decent. Alright, once everything's done, just take that in. It's got this lock system, you got to pull that out. So you squeeze the side, you pull it out. And you lock it in. All done. Alright. Let's get started. Go on, turn the button on, isn't it? Press the button.
What button?
Press it on.
Oh.
Go on. Yeah.
Ooh, look at that.
It's done.
You can see the circle in it.
Wow. Look at that.
That's sick.
It actually works.
I'm just going to change my shoes because the water's going to get in otherwise.
Oh, cool. Well, thumbs up for this. Thumbs up. Wow, it works. Thumbs up for this product. I'm gonna try these out some other time. But yeah, thumbs up. These are just standard anyway. It's like jetwash power. You know what? We'll use them actually. Oh, do me a favor.
Low pressure, I think.
This is low pressure. I think so. We'll find out now. Innit? You're saying low pressure.
It's supposed to be.
We'll find out. You ready?
There's an extent. No, wait.
So this, we'll try this head first. Innit? What do you think it's gonna do? Yo.
It's a nozzle, isn't it? So.
Yeah, but what?
It's specific.
Alright, let me try it. There's nothing coming up. Whoa, that is powerful, yeah. Alright, that's that. Look how Can you see that?
Yeah.
That spins it. That spins it. That's what that's doing, it's spinning. What's this one? You ready for this?
That's not what. Is that one?
You ready?
Oh, okay. Sorry, my bad. Yeah.